Welcome to NuVuw Tutorials. In this short session, I will show you how to create a new project from your main homepage. We will then go through some of the navigation, and in future tutorials, we will actually drill into the workings of each of the project areas. So let's get started. So in the first instance, I will create a new project. I can select my customer. I can give the project a name. In addition to that, I can describe what the project is about. Once I've done that, I could also, if necessary, put in the country and the zip code, and it will actually find the specific location. Once I've selected Next, it asks me what sort of project I'm planning. I can choose from several different categories of project, or if I've previously created a project and have saved it as a template, I can save myself a lot of time by pulling up one of the projects that I've previously created. In this instance, we're going to create a new home build. I'm going to choose a plan. I have several options here, from a blank plan that I will set up the activities individually, or I can choose from 4 predefined plans, either a standard design and build plan, which covers a real-world project with real-world activities, tasks, and subtasks, or I can actually choose from the RIBA, the Royal Institute of British Architects, design and build plan of record or plan of work. In this case, I will select the design and build as we're going from the design phase through construction and handover. Afterwards, I can select in here a baseline budget. I may not know the full budget cost right now, but I can put it in here and edit it later with the physical actual cost. When am I going to start my project? I will select next week, and then all I need to do is select the Get Started button, and NuVuw will then pull together all the relevant activities and stages and present them back to you in a way that then you can start to work to schedule your program. From this screen here, we will be able to see not only all the different activities and tasks, but just to navigate around the screen in the first instance. At the top, it gives me a summary of the project. Is it started? Where are we from a progress perspective? How many days left to deliver this particular project? The budget, allocated budget. In other words, if I've got a budget here of 100,000, have I allocated the relevant budget to each of the activities and tasks? And I can do that at different levels. Also, as I complete the project, have I invoiced the customer? And what is the actual cost to me to give me a project P&L? On the left-hand side, there are the project activities, and this is this screen. I have a document management solution here, which enables me to be able to assign documents relevant to each activity or task to make sure that there aren't any, I lost the email, I don't have the latest revision, and are therefore working from a previous revision, which all costs and causes impact to a given project. The settings, this is where I can make edits to the project plan. If I'm looking to move it out a month because I can't start, if I'm looking to adjust the budget because I have a change request, I can put it all into here. Collaboration, once I've allocated activities to resources, I actually have a simple and easy to use collaboration capability from instant messaging all the way through to a full breakdown of a project or auditing of given change control or otherwise. Issues, as always, as we build a project, if we encounter issues, we can capture the issue, we can either record it from video, we can actually take pictures of it, or we can just record it in words, assign it to a given resource, who then subsequently can get those activities fixed. And this enables you to keep on top of the project at any one time and from anywhere. Accounting, this is essentially the area where you can see invoices that have been raised, the spend, and other financial activities. Looking at the main window of the project plan, current activities shows the plan in a Gantt chart form. The to-do shows it in a calendar format, which is far easier to manage when on job site using a mobile phone or otherwise.